Your Miami trainers share in Matrix X how to select your personalized result grid display. Once you create your personalized results or grid display, they will be available under display. Clicking on the drop-down arrow will show you the word My with the name of the display that you gave it. Now, anytime you jump back into Matrix to view your results, for example, agent single line rental, it's up to us to click on the drop-down arrow and select the personalized display. Once you do, it'll populate. Matrix X Short Tips by your Miami trainers.